Hi, my name is Shakil Hussain. Today I'll show you how you will create a Zoom account. To do that, first you need to go to the zoom.us or zoom.us/signup. Then it will ask you to your date of birth. You need to select month, day and year. After that, press continue. Now it will ask your email address. Provide your valid email address. And sometime it will ask you to verify as a human. After that, press sign up. Now a verification email is sent to your email address. You need to verify that from your email account. So I'm going to log into my Gmail account that earlier I used. I was already logged in, that's why I'm going to direct to my inbox and see the Zoom activation, account activation. Please active your Zoom account. The email is here. I'm going to press active account button. Now it will ask for detail, name and password. Please enter a password and confirm password. And it also asking for the email verification step. It's asked almost in every step sometime. I'm going to verify that. If you are using for education institute, then you can press yes. I'm not going to use as for education institute. I will use for myself and personal use. So I'm going to select here the no. Just I'm showing for your purpose if you want to use that. But I'm going to select no and continue. After that, it will ask you to send the invitation. If you want to send invitation to your friend, you can do that later. So I'm not going to send that. I will skip this step for now. Press skip this step. Okay, my personal meeting URL is ready. If I send someone, I can use my personal Zoom meeting account using this. Now I'm going to my Zoom profile. You see, this is my Zoom profile. So my profile is created. Here is my personal meeting ID.